Today, we're comparing four of the most talked about blenders in the US market, evaluating power, performance, and style. The goal here isn't just to list features, but to put these models side by side so you can see which one truly stands out in each category. And of course, all the verified purchase links are right below in the description. Let's start with the true icon of the category. When it comes to high-performance blenders, the name Vitamix instantly comes to mind. This isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's practically a professional machine sitting on your counter. The power is impressive, varying by model, but always above standard residential levels. Its stainless steel blades slice through tough ingredients like butter, and the consistency of smoothies and soups is simply unmatched by regular competitors. What really sets Vitamix apart is durability. Buying one is an investment that can last for decades. The versatility is also outstanding. Crushing ice, kneading dough, making hot soups, sauces, or even peanut butter, all with the same smooth performance. When it comes to raw power, Vitamix is clearly the leader. It's the blender of choice for chefs and restaurants, and that reputation is well earned. But if Vitamix is the professional's choice, NutriBullet is the king of modern convenience. Compact, efficient, and incredibly practical, it was designed for people who want quick results in their daily routine. NutriBullet doesn't try to compete in sheer power. Instead, its strength lies in speed and simplicity. Its unique blade system extracts nutrients quickly, and the single-serve design makes life easier. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a smoothie ready in seconds. The comparison here is clear. While Vitamix is about brute force, NutriBullet shines as the blender that balances performance with everyday practicality, dominating the single-serve segment. Hamilton Beach. Now we move into the middle ground. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite delivers far more than its price tag suggests. With 700 watts of power and 12 program functions, it easily handles ice, frozen fruit, and even thicker blends. Its exclusive wave action technology constantly pulls ingredients down toward the blades, eliminating those poorly blended chunks you often get with cheaper models. The result? Smoother textures and more consistent blends. Compared side by side, Vitamix wins on professional power, NutriBullet on convenience. But Hamilton Beach stands out for smart value. It offers solid features, a durable glass jar, easy cleaning, and all without requiring a big investment. And finally, we have the Beast. This model is the perfect fusion of sleek design and reliable performance. More than just a blender, it looks like a modern design piece, ideal for kitchens where aesthetics and innovation matter. The Beast has enough power for smoothies, shakes, and green juices with ease. But its real advantage lies in functional design. Its compact body, minimalist details, and intuitive user experience have won over a crowd that values both beauty and efficiency. Compared to the others, it may not be the strongest in raw power, but it's the one that best represents modernity. It's the blender that makes a statement on your countertop, proof that practicality can also come with premium style. So now the big question, which of these blenders is the right one for you? If maximum power and professional performance are what you're after, Vitamix is unmatched. If you want speed and single-serve convenience, NutriBullet is the natural choice. For solid performance at an affordable price, Hamilton Beach Power Elite is the smart balance between cost and quality. And if you want your blender to also be a design piece, the Beast delivers that modern, elegant touch. Each of these blenders dominates in its own category. The key is finding the one that matches your lifestyle. All the verified purchase links are available right below in the description, so you can check each model in detail and choose your favorite. And remember, investing in a great blender isn't just about making smoothies. It's about transforming your kitchen experience every single day.